Look at her. Now look at her again. Same prompt, same character file, two completely different humans. This is the reason your AI influencer dies the moment you try to make a second video of her. Her face changes, her jaw shifts, her eyes drift apart. By scene 3, she's somebody else's daughter. And the wildest part? The fix has been sitting on the internet for 2 years under a name that doesn't exist anymore. You write a prompt. You hit generate. A great character appears. You love her, so you put her in a new scene, different outfit, different background, different lighting, and she's suddenly a completely different person. Try to build a series with her? Forget it. Try to make a short video? She morphs every 2 frames. Try to put her in a brand campaign? Your client's going to ask why your model has 3 different faces in the same ad. And you start thinking, maybe AI just can't do consistent characters yet. But you're wrong. The tool that actually fixes this exists. It just got rebranded, and almost nobody is talking about what's underneath the new name. Here's what almost nobody is telling people in 2026. The tool you've been searching for is RenderNet. It got rebranded recently. Type RenderNet.ai into your browser right now. It redirects to Affogato AI. Same team, same technology. Brand new name and a sharper focus on video heads up, the platforms lean toward product and ad content since the rebrand. But the character tools we're using are still in there. And underneath that rebrand sits the one feature that actually solves character consistency. Most AI tools give you a reference sheet and pray the face matches. This one rigidly maps your character's facial geometry, the eye spacing, the jawline, the nose shape, and locks it into every single generation. The feature is called face lock. And once you stack it the right way, with the 2 layers, nobody mentions you stop gambling with your characters forever. But face lock alone isn't enough, because you can lock the face perfectly and still end up with a character standing there like a mannequin, doing nothing. In every shot, same face, 0 motion, 0 personality. That's where layer 2 comes in. ControlNet, you upload a reference photo of any pose, someone running, crouching, holding a product, dancing, and ControlNet copies that exact body position onto your locked character. The face stays the same. The pose changes completely. Same person, brand new shot, every time. This is the difference between a static AI portrait and an actual character that lives inside scenes. Suddenly you've got a usable character library, 20 poses, 20 backgrounds, 1 identity. But there's still one missing piece. And it's the layer that turns all of this into a real content engine. Layer 3, Narrator. This is where it stops being an image tool and starts being a full content production stack. You upload a script or a voice file and your character speaks it, lip-synced in a couple dozen languages. That same locked face, that same controlled pose, now talking, on camera, in any language you need. So you can build an AI influencer once and run her in English, Spanish, Hindi, Arabic, Japanese, all from a single character file. One creator, global reach. Stack them in this order, every single time. Face lock, ControlNet, Narrator, that morphing, broken character I showed you in the first second of this video, that was layer 1 alone. No support. The clean, consistent version, that's all 3 layers stacked. Same prompt, same person, completely different output. Now the honest part, what they don't put on the homepage. Whatever free credits you get are enough to test, not enough to actually produce. And the paid side is genuinely murky right now. The rebrand moved the pricing page around. And the full face lock plus ControlNet stack tends to sit above the entry tier, not on it. So go look at Affogato.ai yourself before you pay anything. That's not me dodging, it's an actual moving target. But if you've been losing your mind over morphing AI faces, this stack is the fix. Subscribe next video. I'm building a full AI influencer using only these 3 layers. On camera, start to finish. See you there.